Using Gliffy in Confluence allows you to create diagrams, flowcharts, and other visual representations directly within your Confluence pages. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Install Gliffy. If Gliffy is not already available in your Confluence instance, you can install it from the Atlassian Marketplace. Check with your administrator for installation permissions. Create or edit a page. Navigate to the Confluence page where you want to add a diagram. Click on Edit to enter editing mode. Insert Gliffy diagram. In the editor, click on the plus icon or type the following symbol to open the macro browser. Search for Gliffy diagram and select it. This will open the Gliffy editor. Design your diagram. Use the Gliffy interface to create your diagram. You can drag shapes, lines, and text boxes from the left toolbar onto the canvas. Customize colors, fonts, and sizes as needed. Save and insert. Once your diagram is complete, click Save in the Gliffy editor. The diagram will now appear on your Confluence page. Publish the page. Finally, click Publish to save all changes to the Confluence page.